Today I'm doing a video review on HealthyWiser's pH meter. I did receive this item in exchange for my review. And for this review, I'm actually going to calibrate this device on camera. You're going to need two separate containers with distilled water with 250 milliliters in each one. And you're going to do the 6.8 and 6 in one and the 4.0 in another. There is the 9.1.8, but that is used if afterwards the pH solution is to, if the known pH solution is to be 7.0 or above, then you'd have to use this one with the 6.86 to get it calibrated. And then you want a container of distilled plain water to rinse the device between the two calibrations. In between those two calibrations, after rinsing it, you do want to dry it off with some filter paper. That does not come with the kit. I will say that. Okay, so as you can see, this device has a green lit background, and I don't know why it's doing that right now. Let's see. Alright, so that's 0. So what we're going to do is we're going to place this in the water, and it says to hold the calibration button for, they'll start to get it flashing. And as you can see, it is flashing 6.86. Alright, you're supposed to hold it in there till it quits flashing. It actually registered 6.87. So, alright, so I'm going to rinse this off. And then I'm going to dry the electrode. Alright, now to do this one, the 4.0, you actually are going to stick it in the water. And you're going to push the calibration button for 3 seconds. Then press and release immediately. You want to get it to where it starts flashing 4.0. So I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to get that to start flashing. 3 seconds. There's 6.8. So okay, there's 4.0. And hang on here. Yes, okay, there's 6.86. Alright, so now it's flashing. I'm going to leave it in here. And it's reading 4.02. So the calibrations are reading a little high. And I think that's where it may come into play with this 9.18. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually wait until this thing goes back down to 0. Dry it off a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to push the calibration button. Get it to 9.18. I'm sorry if you can't see the numbers on this device. Okay, there's the 6.86. Okay. This thing, I ain't gonna lie, this thing is kind of hard to calibrate. There we go, 9, well it was on the 9.81, why did it shut off? Let me try it again. Alright, there's 6.86. The thing is, you gotta have this thing in the liquid when you calibrate it. So you can't take it out and push these buttons to get them flashing before you put it in the thing. Okay, and I'm going to push it again. And I can't get it to get to the 9.18. You know, this is, calibration is not easy. 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, there's the 9.18, okay. So I'm going to let it sit in here for a minute. And it's reading 7.0. So, what I'm going to try and do is, I honestly don't know if this thing worked or not. So, I'm going to try and get back to 0 on this device. Let's see. I can't get it off 7.0. Well, so for my honest opinion on this device is that calibrating it's kind of a nightmare. See, I put it in 6.86 and now it's reading 7.0. Well, okay. So I guess my overall opinion on this thing is the calibrating of it is not going very well. Now it's stuck on 7.0 and I can't get the screen to clear. If I turn it off and turn it back on, it still reads 7.0. Let me try and do it a little bit better real quick. You've got to get all that water off the electrode, which I have done, but 7.0. Alright, well, okay, so my overall opinion with this is I don't like it. I can't get the stupid thing calibrated. And when you try to calibrate it, it's not very easy. So, overall, if you get it, good luck to you on trying to get this thing calibrated. Maybe if I play with it around a little bit more and keep messing with it and see if I can't get it calibrated, it might be easier, but to be honest, this is actually my 4th time trying to calibrate this thing today. So overall, that is my opinion on it. And once again, I did receive this in exchange for my review from HealthyWiser.